Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Webvizio, a tool that claims to cut down on revisions for live websites with a collaborative feedback tool. It's a feedback SaaS. It's an alternative to Brut and Pastel. Webvizio helps you collaborate on website revisions with features that let you share actionable feedback directly on multiple web pages. It's a live website feedback tool where you're going to add the link of the website and then you can collaborate with the designers or the developers to improve your workflow and then create a better website. So it's best for web designers, developers, QA teams, and digital agents looking to streamline revisions for website projects. So to help you to revise your website projects, to manage your workflow to create better websites with your team. You're gonna get all the features of the unlimited plan, and the deal is divided by users. And of course, it's an important feature because if you have a team of more than 10 designers or developers, for instance, you're going to need the license tier 3. Because since it's a feedback tools, you need to have the number adequate to your team, to people who are going to access and work together with you with the website. So depending of your agent size. The tier 1 get 5 users, tier 2 10 users, and tier 3 is unlimited. Of course, that's the best deal with the gives you more value. But of course, if you have a small team, maybe license tier 1 is good for you. They integrate with Trello, but on the roadmap, it's coming Jira, ClickUp, Asana, Telegram, Slack, and WhatsApp. Okay, so let's now see how the tool works. You can see here is everything just intuitive. You just need to add your URL or upload an image. Okay, and then you start the project. For the sake of that review, let's add the AppSumo website here. Remember, you can review images and also websites. AppSumo website didn't show up, so I have added another website. So for instance, I added these websites, and now on your project settings, you can change the name of the project name, turn on or turn off the auto refresh because you're gonna change the website and it can auto refresh. Here you can just invite the members who will work on that project. You're gonna see reports here of your activity and also the activity log. When you start clicking here to open the project, you're gonna see the whole website on the right, okay? And then let's say you didn't like that picture here, that picture is not good. That's my picture, by the way. And then you just click here and say, better change in this picture, please. You can also add the description. That's the author did not like this picture. He wants to replace it. Let's say he wants to replace to another one, and you can add the file here to the person, for instance, with the correct picture. Just add it here. And then you create. So it's already here. You can see the log on the left, and you can see that this task is open. Okay. You can also add comments here only on the left. Hello. Comment will show up here on the left. Okay. Let's say you didn't like that text. That text did not work well. So you can see you can replace the text to blah blah blah. Okay. And then you can also tag the person here with that button here. Okay. And then you create. As you can see, you can change also the priorities, low, normal, or high. The tasks will show up here on the right. And you can here on the left, change to open, in progress, or done. So if you finish that task, one of those on your team, just click here on done. It will immediately go to done. All right. And everybody can see the website on different screens. You can see it responsive. You can see it on the desktop and different kind of desktops. You can see how it will show up on iPad Pro, for instance. Also how it will show up on iPhone 11, for instance, etc. Okay, so they have all the features you need to review a live website project. You can also open new page on the same tab. Okay, so you can just click on the plus button to open a new page. And then you enter your URL or you add an image. So just upload an image here so you can see how the image look like. Website, image. Okay, you can do the same thing with the image. You can change zoom in or out. Okay, like that. Zoom in or zoom out. And your team can even download the image. The tool is pretty good. It's pretty easy to understand. There's no learning curve. I see it can be really, really useful for agents and people who work with a team to create websites. I hope you like that review. Thank you.